I know you have brilliant ideas to share your know-how online, but it just fizzled out. Let's flip that script today because you're closer than you think. Stay with us because we've got a real eye opener from our free training coming up. It's the nudge you need to get unstuck and into the game. Okay, let's have a heart to heart. You've got this wealth of experience. Maybe you've got a knack for organizing chaos or a trick for teaching folks something useful. And you thought, hey, I could share this online. But then it goes nowhere. Sound familiar? I'll bet you've been there. Maybe you've got a half-baked idea sitting in a notebook, or you've started something but hit a wall. Let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine, Linda, she's in her 60s now. She's a whiz at gardening, and she wanted to make a little digital guide. She spent weeks picking the right fonts, and then she got lost in some tech rabbit hole, and poof, she gave up. Does this sound like you? You know, most folks stumble because they overthink it, mess with the wrong tools, or they just don't know how to get it out there. You know, I've been there too. Years ago, I tried selling a little life hacks ebook, but my tech, it was a disaster and I had no clue how to tell anybody about it. It was so frustrating, right? But the light is at the end of the tunnel. And guess what? You don't have to stay stuck. Because that's why we created the Digital Gold Rush Cash In or Miss Out, a free training to help folks like us with a lifetime of wisdom get past the hurdles and share what we know. We've been getting this ready to roll, and now we're sharing sneak peek previews. Have you heard about our Digital Gold Rush Mastery membership? It's where we teach you step by step a system to create, sell, and market your knowledge on our automated platform. So let's shake off those stumbles and let's start creating. Let's do this.
Do you realize most people fail because they overthink and they never launch their very own product? They waste time on wrong tools. They have no system to market and sell. But that is exactly why we created Digital Gold Rush Mastery to teach you step-by-step system that removes the guesswork. Have you ever tried selling digital products but got stuck or have had an idea but never even got started? It's possible that your tech was a mess, sales are flat, or tools didn't sync. We've been there and most people quit before the gold rush. Does this sound familiar?
Man, did that hit home or what? And it's such a wake up call, isn't it? Those roadblocks, overthinking, tech tangles, no plan to get the word out, they're the usual suspects, right? I mean, how many of us have great ideas like Linda with her gardening guide and only to watch it gather dust because the tools didn't click or we didn't know the next step? It's like panning for gold but tossing the pan before you find the nuggets. Here's where it gets exciting. Our free training, Digital Gold Rush, Cash In or Miss Out, is all about dodging those traps and getting your knowledge out there the easy way. It's linked in the description below, totally free. Made for folks just like us who have got so much to share but need a clear path. In our Digital Gold Rush Mastery membership, you'll get the full step-by-step system to create, sell, and market your expertise on our automated platform. But the free training is the starting line. Don't let those old stumbles stop you. Someone out there needs what you've got, and we're here to help you deliver it. Click that link, sign up for the free training, and let's turn your ideas into action. If this sparked you in some way, hit that like button please, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video because your gold rush is just beginning.